Hello folks, John Jardine here. Do we ever have a nice auction coming up next Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning? Check it out. You got some woodworking tools here and big pieces of equipment. Really nice layout of inventory here, folks. 10 o'clock next Thursday. Everything going to be sold to the highest bidder, regardless of what that bid is. That's the way we like to do things around here. Just wanted to show you a few examples of what we have. Check this out. Show you some of the tools that we have as well. Starting right down this line, get some heaters, saws, get some welders. Just an endless supply, folks. Once again, that auction is going to be next Thursday at 12 o'clock. Whole bunch of tools here as well, already in the cases. I'll just get you to check out the next video that I'm about to post. Just watch for the next one, thanks.